Hi everyone, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you're new here, my name is Stephanie and I cover oily skin, hooded eyes, and beauty. So today's video is going to be just a little bit different from what I normally do. A lot of people in my comments have commented on my hair asking me how I do it, so I decided to go ahead and just show you guys a video of how I do my hair. As you guys can see, my hair is wet. I haven't done anything with it just yet, so let's go ahead and get started with the products that I use. So first things first is going to be a heat protectant spray, and I use the one from Redken. This one not only protects your hair from the heat, but it also conditions and smooths out and shine, and it's like anti-frizz, and it's just literally everything all in one. Because I don't have that much hair, I'm just gonna do 3 sprays. 1, 2, 3. And just get this all in my hair. Before I blow dry my hair, I am gonna section off pieces of my hair because I do blow dry different sections differently, and I'll show you. So I'm just gonna take the top half and put it in a little ponytail for now. I know this is gonna look crazy. I am gonna be using this little attachment for the blow dryer to flatten this part of my hair down because sometimes it can get wavy and just start to like flare up like this. So I'm going to use this thing. So I just blow dried my hair until it was fully dry. Now I'm going to do the top part. Just gonna take down my hair tie. So I did learn a trick from a hairstylist. Whenever you wanna do side swept bangs, you want to trick your bangs to go in different directions. That way you have a bunch of volume where your side swept bangs are gonna be, so you're not just blow drying them to be super flat. You're kind of blow drying them to be kind of voluminous and flowy, if that makes sense. So when I am blow drying my hair, I will brush my hair down like this. So I'll normally get my blow dryer and then blow dry it on the side like this and part my hair this way. This is how I normally part it. So this is kind of natural, and then I'll switch to the other side. So I'll go over here and then blow dry it this way. And then occasionally I will blow dry it downward. So I'm gonna get to blow drying. You might look like very young Justin Bieber for a little bit. I am just going to naturally start separating my hair. I don't like to have that harsh line. I like for it to look like it was separated pretty naturally. Now that I've separated it a little bit, I am going to blow dry this part of my hair, like right here, just to get a little bit more volume. I'm going to blow dry this kind of straight like that. Okay, I didn't want to do that for too long because I didn't want my hair to get crazy. So my hair is a little bit poofy right now, but I am going to be putting in a shine spray, which also acts as a heat protectant, which is great because sometimes I do want to use a flat iron and I don't always know until I fully put this in and see what direction I want to go when it comes to my hair. I want to make sure that it is cooperating with me because not all the time does my hair cooperate. Not all the time does my hair look the same. So I just got to work with it. And this is perfect because, like I said, it's a heat protectant as well. I will use 2 sprays, maybe 3, but I think 2 right now. We'll see. I love the way this smells, and it's from Nature's Lab. I got this in an Ipsy bag and I have not stopped using it. It is just the best shine spray I have ever used. It doesn't make your hair look greasy. It doesn't weigh your hair down. It is just so beautiful. And I just want to see if it's doing what I want, which it is. It is. It's not going in a different direction. It is going in the direction I want it to go in. I really like this, so I think it's time to actually style it with my styling wax. So the styling wax I will be using is from Maria Nila Gabbro. This one was recommended to me by my hairstylist because it'll shape your hair, keep everything nice and neat, but also free enough to where you can still run your fingers through your hair will still move, but it'll actually do what you want it to do. And I like the fact that it doesn't look drying, it doesn't look like mattifying or anything like that. It just looks normal. So I'm gonna go ahead and take just a little bit of this. I'm gonna be putting about this much in my hair right now, and that's gonna go through just the bottom half of my hair, and then I'll pick up some more for the rest of my hair. I just wanna make sure that I go in back and forth like this to get into every single strand of hair as much as I can at least, because I really would like the bottom part of my hair like this to stay flat. And now I'm going to slowly move up to like my sideburns. Sometimes these do happen to stick out and I don't want them to be like this huge like frizz ball or anything like that. I want them to be sort of tamed. So I do put my styling wax in there. So I just start moving my way up. And when I feel like I need more, I'll go ahead and start adding more. I can already see my hair starting to take shape the way that I want it to, so it's nice. Now for the top part of my hair, I'm just going to melt this into my hands, rub this in. So I like for my hair to be textured looking, but also very polished. So I think that this is the best way to do so. I like for it to look just very feminine and kind of looking low maintenance. I do like to try to tuck in as much as possible behind my ears, just because I don't really like hair in my face. And then I do kind of like that look when your sideburns come out. It also gives it that like effortless look. Some of you have asked me for a 360 of my hair, so let me go ahead and turn around for you. So that's gonna be it for my hair. This is how I'm doing my long pixie as of right now. Let me know if you want any more updates. Let me know if you want any tutorials on how I keep my hair oil free, because with us oily skin people, I don't know about you guys, but I also have really oily scalp, really oily hair. So let me know if you guys want to see something like that, and I can definitely get that for you guys. I can record something for you guys, let me know. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more content. I do upload every Wednesday and Saturday at noon Central Time, so definitely keep an eye out for that. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.